Breaking news for Amazon sellers, incredibly damaging fallout from what I believe is Amazon's disclosure of your identification and your location. Over the last week or so, we have received dozens, if not hundreds of calls and emails from Amazon sellers who are being suspended for related accounts. If you're an Amazon seller and you have any other Amazon accounts, you need to be insanely careful right now. The number of suspensions is absolutely through the roof. Also, if you are considering opening another account in your name, a company name, don't do it until after the new year. I can't tell you how many distressed sellers I've spoken to over the last week where they opened up an account or helped somebody else open up an account and their entire business is at risk now because Amazon has shut them down. If you have been accused of being engaged in more than one Amazon account, but here is the key. We go after the oldest account first. That's the one Amazon is most likely to reinstate and reinstate the fastest. So number one, watch out for related account suspensions. Number two, do not open up new accounts right now. And number three, if your account gets suspended for related accounts, you have to go after the oldest account first in most circumstances. You want to learn more about related account suspensions, how to recover, how to avoid? Go to our blog and in our search engine on AmazonSellersLawyer.com, put in related accounts. We literally have dozens of videos for you, dozens of articles, so you can get up to speed very, very quickly, how to avoid related account suspensions and how to get your accounts back if they go down under Amazon's related accounts accusation.